and welcome to my platform, and thank you for watching my channel. Please do remember to subscribe, share if you care, and hit the notification bell. Now today I'm going to be basically painting or refurbishing an old wardrobe which used to be an office closet, but it was big enough for it to fit clothes and have in your room. So I didn't like the color too much, but I decided to go with a purple spray paint because, well, purely because brushes leave marks and it's always better just to spray paint. So I decided to get rid of the wooden door handles, which were kind of outdated for me, and decided to go and get new handles, which I'll show you in a minute. This was one of my favorite projects because I got to make the previous room that I did, which was black and white, pop with this purpley, kind of velvety, kind of violet color. It really did make the room pop. Now I decided to do this in my lounge because purely I don't have that kind of muscle power to move it outside. It was the worst decision of my life, but it wasn't too bad. It turned out okay, although the paint did go quite a bit on the floor. Here are the handles I was talking about. They're absolutely stunning, and I got them from a hardware store. They're so glam. I love glam. I've fallen in love with glam, and I just wanted something very luxurious. They were easy to install. I used the old screws and put them on the new handles. It took me all of 5 minutes to do, and I just use a normal, ordinary, regular screwdriver. Now you can do this on your own. It's pretty easy. I just started with the top, so I screwed in the top, and then I decided to go and do the bottom after that. I didn't decide to paint the cupboard on the inside because I didn't think it was necessary, and honestly I was scared that my clothes would pick up some of the paint from the paint spray, although it probably wouldn't if it was dried very well, but I just was paranoid. That's just me. Although you can use wallpaper or contact paper just to cover that up on the inside if you're scared, or you can just leave it like I did. Once that was done, I decided to go do the other side, and voila, you have a brand new, not new wardrobe or closet that you can put inside your room. I absolutely loved it, and it really did give that pop of color I was telling about. I wanted something colorful because the black and white room is so striking, but I wanted something that would sort of set off that monochromatic look. Now, I went in with paint fillers to remove them, or rather to remove the paint from the floor. There wasn't a lot of paint, but around where the wardrobe was sitting, there was quite a bit of, I had actually spray painted the floor. So I just went in with paint fillers. There you can see the residue of the paint I just swept up, but the part where the wardrobe was sitting, the floor got painted, so I just used thinners to get rid of that. Luckily the floor had that kind of marble touch. The tiles were kind of marbly, shiny and slippery, so it didn't absorb too much, so it was pretty easy for me to remove with the paint thinners. Now there's the after. You can see that all the paint is gone, and what I did, I just mopped, and with time it just disappeared. Because obviously you clean, you sweep, you mop, and with time it was like brand new again. And here you can see the end result. How stunning is that? It's so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Please do tune in and share if you care. I love you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next episode. Bye.